A very good morning to one and all present here. We are thrilled to have you all here today. I am Kavya from Rupanagar and from the team Health and Fitness NRRWA. Firstly, please check at the registration desk where our friendly team Mrs. Priya, Mr. Sudarshan, Mr. Vivek, Mr. Gopal, Mrs. Sadhana, Ms. Asha and Mrs. Rashmi are all there to guide for the registration process. Today, Namma Rupanagara Residents Welfare Association presents cardio screening camp along with fitness session and cookery competition in association with Apollo BGS Hospital, Mysuru. Firstly, let's give a warm welcome to our Honorable President of our NRRWA, Mr. Narasimha Murthy sir.
On behalf of NRRWA team, we are here to welcome you all on this Sunday morning on the fitness session. Now I request our President, Mr. Professor Narasimha sir, to hand over the token of appreciation and welcome the Dr. Vijay. Dr. Vijay. Thank you, Doctor, for all your time.
Now I request all the nursing team of Apollo Hospital to kindly come near the stage. Mrs. Shobha Kumari, Mrs. Mary Pavitra and Mrs. Anju. Welcome you, ma'am.
Now I request Mr. Shashikuran, who has been instrumental in doing this whole program very wholeheartedly and coordinated extremely. Now I request Mr. Vinay to please come up on the stage and the support team from the marketing Apollo Hospitals.
Namaste. Very good morning to everyone gathered here. So we'll start with a simple Namaste procedure. How Namaste will be helpful. Namaste namigella hege upayoga agutte annadana nammella ninge ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಈ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೋನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಆನ್ ಅನ್ ಆವರೇಜ್ 7, 8, 9 ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರೇಜ್ 7, 8, 9 7 ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 7 ವಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ವೀಕ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಪ್ತಸ್ವರ 7.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Vijay, and it was really a wonderful session. And you have really touched upon each and every bone of every heart who is sitting here. To share with you all, Dr. Vijay has done his education from JSS and he has got more than 10 years of experience right here. 10 years of, since last 10 years he's working at Apollo Hospitals here in Mysore and having the experience or expertise more than 18 years in physiotherapy. So we really thanks a lot for all your valuable inputs and suggestions. Dr. Asha Kiran has come from the Apollo Hospitals. She is going to give us the insight on, based on our report on RBS, height and weight, what they are going, based on that. She will be able to give us the consultation as to whether we need to go for the ECG or not. And based on her inputs and consultation and advice, the next session that is of the ECG will be taken to the need-based requirement of the individuals. And for that, their mobile van from the Apollo Hospital is right here. And now I request, welcome Dr. Asha Kiran. It's a pleasure to have you here. And Dr. Asha Kiran is with the expertise on, I would like to just say from the Apollo Hospital Since last 15 years, she has been working at Apollo Hospital, Mysore. We are highly thankful to have you here on Sunday, ma'am, and thanks for your services and special time for us. Bouquet of the vegetable, so that we wish our doctor.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಚೆ
ನೀವು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು
ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸಾಧನೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಮೈಸೂರು ರೂಪನಗರದ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. BP ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಗರ್.
BP ನಿಮ್ಮದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ?
ಓಕೆ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Mr. Suryanarayan also, our VP.
ಎರಡು ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
A lot of people tell you don't be like this. Don't wear so much.
ಅಪೋಲೋ BGS ಹೋಲ್ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
You all know that Nammavana is a great initiative taken by the NRRWA from last 1.5 years. Today we are having another feather attached to it. None other than Mr. Bhartesh Reddy has already just now consented. They will take care about the complete development of amphitheatre. So we are very thankful to you.
I know it will taste good.
ಚಟ್ನಿ
ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಉದ್ದಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತೆಗೀರಿ ಫೋಟೋ. ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. Can you explain, ma'am, as to what? Okay. Good. Very healthy. Say cheese.
Did you enjoy taking part in this?
Yes.
What did you make?
We made the happy and healthy salad.
Happy healthy salad.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Both of you did it or you?
No.
Just
Three of us did it. Very good. Very good.
IT ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್? ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್?
one of a jet.
It has been a wonderful noon when we had got the cookery competition and we have the judges with us. Mrs. Sharmila Mahesh, Mrs. Vidya Pai, as well as last and Miss Asha Mahesh. 8 entries, and out of that, I think you like to announce the prizes, right?
Very good.
And to Miss managed by Mr. Raghu. It's just a small gesture
For us, it is just Sudarshan. It was a pleasure judging. Geeta ma'am,
Mr. Sudarshan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for all your time.
First of all, I would like to thank the association for this wonderful opportunity of judging. Second is the initiative, the cookery competition. I really wish there were more participants, giving us a little more tastier food and more challenging time for us to judge. It was really good. The appearance, the presentation, everything behind it, the attitude, the taste and the things. Once again, I would like to thank the association for thinking of us, three of us, for judging. Thanks so much. It was a great pleasure.
I think these kind of initiatives are taken by association. Association is doing a very good job. I think I have missed many of them. I will not miss now onwards.
Thank you.
It is actually a pleasure to be here to part of this extended family. And all the participants have put very good effort in their cooking. And some of them have prepared 2, 3, and it is really challenging. And once again, I thank association for the opportunity given to me. Thank you.
I was the guest. Suddenly it was decided, and actually it's a great opportunity. As soon as I became member, they put me in the core committee, and I really appreciate Dr. Mishra's whatever she is doing and the motivation she gave me to participate. And today's function went on very well. Hope more functions will go on, and I really want to give you 100% of my service. Thank you so much.
I was telling someone recently, there are so many activities conducted by the association. We are finding it difficult to keep pace, I said. Category, leafy
category.
Leafy vegetable cooking.
Leafy vegetable cooking. First prize for Chandrika. Actually, Tumba items are great, and it was Tumba Chandrika. Health benefits to Tumba items. Really liked it. It was very tasty.
It's all credit goes to NRVA because they have given me chance to exhibit my.
I'm planning to get a green dress for myself. Congratulations.
Congrats, Chandrika.
Congratulations, Chandrika.
Thank you.
Second place goes to our Maya Sharma.
Wow!
I haven't cooked lunch. I'm coming to your house for birthday. Congratulations.
Fireless cooking, first place goes to Omkar.
Really fine.
Organic, healthy.
What we had behind this cooking competition themes was, first was fireless cooking, where we wanted our the best coming food from our men folk, because they also contribute heavily in the daily household activities, and to know what best they are doing. This was one opportunity, the gents participation opportunity, and to encourage youngsters. We wanted the young boys and girls to come home. So it was the thought they can easily do it. At the same time, I am also very happy to see the wonderful presentations in the leafy vegetable category because it was cardio screening camp. So fiber always is very good for your heart. So a lot of your heart health issues, every day if you consume more than 100 to 125 gram of any soap, you will be always comfortable and you don't have to really worry about your heart.
Esteemed guests and fellow participants, on behalf of NRRWA, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who involved in making today's cardio screening camp a sounding success. First and foremost, we would like to thank Apollo Hospital for their collaboration and support in organizing this camp. Your commitment to providing quality healthcare services is truly commendable, and we appreciate the expertise and resources you brought to this event. We thank Shri Bhartish Reddy, Managing Director of Apollo Hospital, team of doctors, Dr. Vijay Kumar, Dr. Asha Kiran, nurses, volunteers from Apollo Hospital for your tireless efforts in conducting the screening and providing valuable insights to our participants. We request the Apollo team to receive our token of appreciation. Mr. Chetan. Shashi Kiran, please accept our token of love. Thank you very much for all the support you are providing for Rupanagar residents.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Please join for the
please join for the refreshment, all of you.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
Goodbye.